Improving your driving experience starts with better visibility. Today, we'll explore 8 rearview mirrors with built-in cameras that promise just that. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S Dashcam Backup Camera. Starting off with the Wolfbox G840S, this rearview mirror camera is a great choice for those who want a reliable dashcam and backup camera combined in one. Right away, the widescreen display caught my attention, offering a crystal clear picture that effortlessly replaces your standard rearview mirror. I found that the integration of front and rear cameras gives you a comprehensive view of your surroundings, perfect for parking or spotting potential hazards on the road. The 1080p video quality is impressive, and the 170-degree viewing angle covers blind spots very effectively. What really stood out was the loop recording feature, which ensures continuous footage by overwriting the oldest files, a lifesaver in case something unexpected happens. Installation took me less than 30 minutes, and the mirror fits seamlessly over my existing one without obstructing the view. Using the Wolfbox G840S improved my confidence while reversing, especially in tight spaces, and it gave extra peace of mind for night driving thanks to its decent low-light performance. However, the touchscreen interface can sometimes feel a tad sensitive, which could lead to accidental taps during driving. Also, the speakers are a bit on the quiet side, so audio alerts might be easy to miss if you don't pay attention. Number 2. ASDOM PG17 Mirror Dash Cam. The ASDOM PG17 caught my attention because it combines a sleek design with high-end features that you'd expect from more expensive models. The full HD 1.2-inch touchscreen immediately enhances the driving experience by doubling as a mirror and a monitor. What's clever is how the camera switches smoothly between rear view and dash cam modes without making you fiddle with complicated controls. The dual cameras both record in crisp 1080p, and the device offers a wide-angle view that ensures no detail goes unnoticed. One feature I especially liked was the built-in mic and speaker, making it easier to hear audio from the recordings or alerts. Among all the mirrors I've tested, this one balanced clarity and ease of use exceptionally well. The included night vision mode works surprisingly well, illuminating darker streets and parking lots without overwhelming glare. Number 3. Pelsi P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. If ultra-sharp video quality is what you're after, the Pelsi P12 Pro 4K delivers that and more. From the moment I powered it on, the 4K resolution footage grabbed my attention. It's astonishingly clear whether you're driving in the daylight or at night. This mirror dash camera offers a wide screen that displays the rear view cleanly and without distortion, which surprised me given the price point. The installation process was straightforward and the device fits snugly over the existing mirror. Its parking monitor feature is another welcome safety bonus. It records movements even when the car is off, so you can breathe easier in busy parking lots. The touchscreen is responsive and menu navigation is intuitive, which makes customizing settings hassle-free. Plus, the Pelsi P12 Pro supports voice control commands, which is a handy feature for hands-free operation while driving. Using this device felt like a definite upgrade to my vehicle's safety, allowing me to see blind spots I usually struggle with and capturing every moment in crystal clear 4K detail. Number 4. JanSight Mirror Dash Cam with Night Vision. The JanSight Mirror Dash Cam feels like a no-nonsense option for those who want something simple but effective. What impressed me right from the start was its night vision capabilities, which truly make a difference when driving in low-light conditions or poorly lit parking areas. The mirror's display is clear and bright, giving a well-balanced reflection alongside the camera feed. Equipped with a front and rear camera setup, the JanSight captures decent quality 1080p videos and delivers real-time footage without delay. Installation was quick and fuss-free, with the mirror fitting over my original perfectly. Controls are minimal but straightforward, so even if you're not tech-savvy, it won't take long to get used to. What I appreciated most during daily drives was how it helped me avoid blind spots when merging or reversing. Number 5. Pormide Mirror Dash Cam. For drivers who want premium features packed into a rear-view mirror, the Pormide Mirror Dash Cam stands out as a powerful contender. Its 4K resolution front camera and 1080p backup camera combined for top-notch visual clarity, which instantly made me feel safer behind the wheel. The ultra-wide viewing angle is perfect for capturing everything around the vehicle, reducing blind spots dramatically. The monitor is bright and offers a smooth touchscreen interface that reacts instantly to commands. One of the highlights for me is the advanced parking monitoring system. which kicks in automatically when the car is parked, protecting your vehicle against potential dents or theft attempts. With GPS logging included, you also get detailed location and speed data embedded in your videos, a feature that could come in handy for insurance claims or tracking routes. Installing the Dashcam took slightly more time due to routing wires for power and cameras, but the end result was a sleek, factory-built look that blends flawlessly with the vehicle's interior. Number 6. VMint 4K Rearview Mirror Camera. The VMint 4K Rearview Mirror Camera surprised me in terms of value and image quality. Despite its affordable price, it delivers stunning 4K video clarity for both front and rear cameras. The oversized touchscreen display acts as a mirror and a monitor seamlessly, helping you switch between viewing modes without any fuss. With a 170-degree viewing angle, it covers a wide area, which is crucial for preventing blind spots and succeeding at tricky parking maneuvers. The installation was easy as the device simply clips over the original rearview mirror, and the menus were user-friendly enough to get started quickly, even without reading the manual in detail. Driving with the VMint made reversing feel much safer. The night vision is quite decent for its price class, making it easier to see in dark environments. However, I noticed the screen sometimes gets reflective under direct sunlight, which can be a little distracting during bright days. Number 7. AutoVox Rearview Mirror Camera. The AutoVox Rearview Mirror Camera impressed me primarily with its smart design and functional features. Its full HD display delivers clear images on a 7-inch screen while functioning naturally as a mirror the rest of the time. What I liked is how streamlined and minimalistic it looks on the windshield, giving my car's interior a clean and modern touch. Featuring front and rear cameras with wide-angle lenses, AutoVox ensures you won't miss what's happening behind or in front of your vehicle. Recording quality is consistently sharp, and the night vision feature enhanced visibility significantly during evening drives. The device also offers loop recording and G-sensor technology that protects files when it detects abrupt shakes or collisions. The mirror's touchscreen responded smoothly, and controls were intuitive, which made everyday use simple and enjoyable. One mild inconvenience was the cable management. The power cord is a little bulky and can feel noticeable along the windshield, which requires careful installation to avoid distractions. Number 8. Wolfbox 12 Rear View Mirror Camera. Last but not least, the Wolfbox 12 Rear-View Mirror Camera offers versatility in a compact form. Its full HD front and rear cameras deliver sharp video quality that held up well both during bright daylight and low-light conditions. One feature I appreciated is the anti-glare coating on the mirror, which reduces reflections and provides a clearer image regardless of lighting. Installation was straightforward and fast, and the mirror clips securely over the existing one without obstructing my line of sight. The device supports multiple parking modes, including motion detection and time-lapse recording, which adds extra layers of protection for your vehicle when parked. The user interface is straightforward with responsive touch controls, but the menu options could benefit from being a bit more organized to streamline navigation. Additionally, while the night vision is adequate, it's not as sharp as some higher-end competitors. Ever wondered if one device can do it all while staying discreet? The Wolfbox 12 answers that question well, offering strong essentials with user-friendly design at a reasonable price.